Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the world of accounting. Hope so you all are fine. Let's start some new questions regarding your new chapter, that is your distribution profit and loss. I'm your course instructor, Mr. Mera Mahmood. Hope so you all are understanding my lectures very well. This is the syllabus as per board, and we have done chapter number 1, partnership formation. Today I am discussing with you distribution profit and loss in my this video. This is your chapter 6 from the book Petiwala, 4th edition and 3rd edition both. Let's talk about this picture in which I have given you this income statement and showing you that in income statement we have the two perspective. Number one is your profit, another one is your loss. Whenever we have positive values, the positive values are your profit generation, and whenever you generate the negative value, this shows that loss is occurring. In the second picture, you can see that many partners are discussing their business documents, and they have their different calculations for business generation and to getting maximum profit or the fruitful profit for the business. This is your format of income distribution summary, in which capitals should be written at the top and then we close it. Then net income on the third column, the last column. Then I will write some adjustments, and then the condition of remaining net income and its distribution is given in the question. So kindly follow this format for the income distribution summary. We have journal entries for the fluctuating capital method and and the fixed capital methods. We have two ways to record the net profit and net loss. If in the question the method is not mentioned, then you have to prepare the journal entry by both the methods, by fluctuating and by fixed, both the methods. This is for the net profit, the fluctuating capital method, but net profit is generated. This is fluctuating capital method, but the case is net loss. This is the fixed capital method, and the case is net profit, you can see. And this is the fixed capital method, the case is net loss. We have four journal entries and two methods. For the first method, in the fluctuating, we have net profit and net loss. Then second one, we have fixed capital method, and we have both cases, net profit and net loss. It depends upon the question which journal entry you need to make. Let's talk about the quotient or the technical part of distribution profit and loss today. Today I am discussing with you 2008 exam question number 17. This is on book page number 166 on both the edition, the new edition and the old edition, third edition, the fourth edition both. This is the question. In this question, I will discuss with you the main perspective. This is the question in which we have part A and part B. If you go through the question, you can realize this thing that in part A, here, in part the part A is belong to partnership formation and part B is belong to distribution profit and loss. So we have done already partnership formation. Now I proceed towards distribution profit and loss. Part A, I will read it for you. On May 1st, 2008, Saad, Khalda and Maheen agreed to form a partnership business with a total capital 1200,000 to be distributed by them in the ratio 3:1. Yes, and then we have to calculate the journal entry and balance sheet. In part B, we have Tariq and Bilal are equal partners. Here they have given you the word equal. It means the distribution between them will be equally. For the year ended 30 April 2008, the net income it's 140. Here they have given you the year ended date is 30 April, which shows that the accounting year is ending on 30 April. But they are not mentioning here the starting date of the accounting period. So when you are not aware about when this actual business started, so you cannot apply the month. Here we are taking the business starting date as a 30 April 2007. So like you have to apply 12 month over here. We cannot justify it from January till April. ठीक है, हमारे पास अगर जनवरी गिवन होता तो हम उसको अप्रैल तक काउंट करते, पर स्टार्टिंग का मंथ गिवन नहीं है. इट मींस 30 अप्रैल 2007 से लेके 30 अप्रैल 2008 तक हम इसको 1 ईयर काउंट करेंगे. As per the agreement, Tariq was received the salary 5,000 per month. Per means you have to apply it by 12. Then we have Bilal 50,000 per annum. This is per year salary given, and this is per month salary given. You have to apply month over here, but don't apply month in Bilal's salary. Then what you have to require, income distribution and distribution of net income. This is your required part. This is the format which I usually discussed with you, in which we have adjustments is also mentioning. Then in part A, this is the topic of partnership formation. Let's talk about part B. Yes, at the top you can see we can have the name of the firm where I'm moving my cursor, Tariq and Bilal. I have mentioned in second line distribution of profit and loss. You can write it down, income distribution summary. And then you have to mention as on April 30. So like as on April 30, you have to write it down, the closing month of this income distribution summary. Then we have capitals are mentioned. Net income is 140,000. Only one adjustment is given for the salaries of the two partner. What is that adjustment? Salary is 12 multiplied by 5,000 only for Tariq, क्योंकि सिर्फ तारिक की सैलरी मंथली थी, बिलाल की आपके पास ईयरली सैलरी थी. Then the answer for the Tariq is 60,000, for the Bilal is 50,000. Total is 110,000. हमने total को third column में लिखा है. 140 में से 110 को माइनस करेंगे तो you will get the your value of remaining net income. Remaining net income को हमने equally distribute क्यों किया है? Because in the starting में first line में लिखा था they are equal partners. So I divide this 30,000 equally, 15,000, 15,000. Now what I have to do? I have to do it vertical calculation, 60,000 and 15,000 for both the partners, and then I will do horizontal calculation, 75 and 65,000 for both the partners. Now the time of the verification comes over here, that you have to do the verification for the two partners, Tariq and Bilal. Verification part is that you have to add 75,000 and 65,000. That should be equal to your net income, that is your 140. So you have to do this verification in the examination. You have to show the working for the salary of Tariq, so that you will get the good marks, inshallah. Why I am putting this 30,000 in positive? Because now I have to distribute it. Once I distribute this value, 30,000 positive है तो distribution भी positive values की होगी, bracket नहीं लगेगा. और क्योंकि मैं इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट यहाँ पे कर चुकी हूँ इन दोनों में, तो यहाँ लाके मैं इसको नेगेटिव इसलिए लिख रही हूँ कि नाउ हियर आई एम शोइंग कि अब ये 30,000 दोनों पार्टनर्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया है, एंड देयरफॉर दिस 30,000 बिकम्स नील. Clear? And the verification of 75,000 and 65,000, it should be equal to net income. This shows that your calculation is correct. This is the solution which I found in some books, but I recommend you to follow this solution because it is the accurate solution in which you also showing the working also. These are the journal entries which I asked you to prepare for the net profit, for the fixed capital method and for the fluctuating capital method, both. This is your practice question that you have to attempt. Do exam question number 23 on book page number 167. After watching my video, you people should be capable enough to do this past paper question 2013. Name of the partners are Hamza, Qasim and Raza. So hope so you people are capable enough to do this question and to understand the methodology of solving this question, to understand where we have to show the working. by doing the working you will get good marks, and where we have to apply the verification. So whenever you get any adjustment, show the working of the adjustments. It is very much necessary, and do your verification for the examination perspective. It is very much essential part. And kindly show these 3 lines: name of the partner's income distribution summary as on April 30, 2008, whatever the month and year is given to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope these videos are very much helpful for you. Thank you so much.